The brain rot era of Roblox is officially over, and the data proves it. Those low-effort simulators that used to dominate your feed, they're becoming ghost towns. But Roblox isn't dying. It's actually reviving. The players didn't quit, they just went back home. Look at the numbers. Bee-Swarm Simulator just surged from 30,000 to over 100,000 players. The new Doors update didn't just trend, it 5 times their player count in 24 hours. Even Greenville, a game everyone called dead, just peaked at 32,000 players. This isn't a fluke, it's a massive shift. Players are finally choosing depth over noise, and the reason why changes